this is Brenda Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is Hungary. I'll be trying the recipe for Rigo yolks. So let's get started. To start a cake, you want to separate 3 eggs from the egg yolks and the egg whites. First, we're going to put the egg whites, 3 egg whites inside. I'm going to whisk this until you see it starts to foam. So you can see here it's very foamy. So I'm just gonna add just a pinch of salt. And I'm going to continue. Now you can see it's getting a little white foamy. So from here I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar at a time. But first I'm gonna add just a little sugar to my egg whites, egg yolks. And then I'm gonna whisk this together. And for the rest of the sugar, I'm gonna add very slowly to our egg whites. So this is the egg yolks that we add a little sugar and whisk together. Now we're going to fold this into the egg whites. So once you fold in your egg yolks, we're going to stiff our flour. So this is a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And this is 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to stiff this into our bowl. And once you do that, just fold it in. So once you have folded in all your flour together, this is a 8-inch cake pan. You can use anything you want. You can use a square pan, circle pan, any shape you like. But this is an 8x8. So I'm just gonna put our mixture inside. Then just spread it out. Once your cake batter is even on the pan, then you want to, I already preheated my oven at 350 Fahrenheit, and this might take 20 to 30 minutes, depends on your oven. Took out my cake out of the oven. It took less time than I expected. It only took me 15 minutes. And to know when your cake is done, just stick a toothpick in the middle, and if it comes out clear, it's done. So I'm gonna let this cool down, and once it's cooled down, I'm gonna start making our filling. To start our filling, I melted chocolate. It's just chocolate melts that I bought at the store. I melt them in the microwave like 30 seconds each time, and I stir to make sure it was melted. It took me like 3 times. Also, this is a quarter of a cup of water and like 2 teaspoons of gelatin, or that small package you could get at a store. I'm just gonna add it to the water. And whisk it together. And I'm also gonna add like this into the microwave for like 30 seconds. So now I'm gonna whisk our heavy cream. I got 2 cups right here. I'm just gonna whisk it to a soft peak. So my whipped cream reached soft peak. Now I'm going to add the chocolate. I have the chocolate here. I don't want to pour all the chocolate into the whipped cream because it might break the whipped cream. So you just want to add just a little bit into your chocolate and then mix it in here. A little bit more. A little bit more. Just want to add a little bit at a time. You really want to be careful doing this because you could actually break this mousse. Okay, now I'm going to add the chocolate into here little by little. Just going to fold it in. So my chocolate is completely mixed with the heavy cream. So again, you want to do again with the gelatin. Add a little bit of whipped cream in here and mix it. And once you have it, just pour it in your filling. And you want to fold this in. So once your cake is completely cool, it's time to cut it right through the middle. So you can see here I put the bottom half back into my square pan, and I have the top sitting on the side. Now I'm just going to add the mousse right in the middle. And you want to spread it. Try to make it as even as possible. So from there, once you have evened it out, grab the top. Actually, I'm going to flip it so it could be more straight. So now you want to cover this and put this in the refrigerator and let it be in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours. So I have a cup and a quarter of chocolate melts and 5 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna put this with the chocolate and I'm gonna microwave this until the chocolate melts. So my butter and chocolate is now melted together. Make sure you stir very good. It took me 3 times on 30 seconds each to melt it. I took out my cake that had been in the refrigerator for 6 hours. It's time to put the chocolate on top. So now you just pour the chocolate right on top of your cake. Get that one last stir. And once you put all the chocolate on top and spread it evenly, you want to put this in the fridge, back in the refrigerator for another hour. So I took out the frame. Now it's time to cut a slice. Time for the taste test. This cake was so delicious. My favorite thing is chocolate, so having triple chocolate in this cake is just perfect. If you love chocolate, you have to try this recipe. And if you try it, let me know how it went for you guys on the comment below. And like always, I see you guys at my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.